Friends, welcome to PawanSoft channel. In this tutorial we are going to see JavaScript crash course. So let's start. What is JavaScript? So JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language which is used to create the client-side dynamic page. JavaScript is very easy to learn. JavaScript is not a compiled language, but it is a translated language. So the JavaScript translator embedded in the browser is responsible for translating the JavaScript code for the web browser. So actually JavaScript translator is embedded inside the browser, which is responsible to translate the JavaScript code for the browser. So let's see. Open the browser. Okay. And press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Or right click and then click on inspect. So you will see this. Go to console tab and from console tab write the JavaScript code like document.write method is used to write the content on the browser. So write in single quotes or double quotes. You can write JavaScript. You can use in JavaScript double quote also, quotes and single quotes also. So hello world. If I press enter, then hello world will print inside browser. So let's see. Hello world prints on browser. So no need, if you are not using any editor, so you can type here also and you can practice. So write console.log. if you want to see the log on console, so you can use single quotes. So this time I am using single quotes. So hello. So see hello print on console. You can, if you want to show the alert box, so you can use alert. Okay. So it will show alert box. Okay. Message. Prompt is used to basically get the input from the user and print on console. So it will take the user input from user. So print PawanSoft. So it will print. It will take the input from the user and will print. So this is the some component from the JavaScript. So, and if you suppose you want to perform any addition, subtraction, multiplication, so you can directory you can use here. So 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. 30 minus 10, 20. 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. right? Multiplication, addition, subtraction, you can perform your directory. 3 into 2, 6. So this is the, you have seen the translator, JavaScript translator is embedded inside the browser to translate the JavaScript code, right? Now for code editor purpose you can use the JavaScript browser also, and you can, otherwise you open Notepad, okay, and this Notepad save. So I'm going to save on desktop. You can use any name, file name. I'm going to give index and use HTML, index.html, okay, and here start HTML tag and end with HTML tag, okay, and we can write the JavaScript code inside the script tag, right? In HTML tag, inside the HTML tag you can write HTML element, but if you want to use, you are going to write the JavaScript code, so you have to use script tag. So script tag, open and script close, right? So here you can write the JavaScript code. So document dot write. So I'm going to use single quotes. You can use single quote as well as double quotes also. So I'm going to use H1 is basically H1 is HTML tag, and it is used to increase the size of content, So here I am going to write welcome to PawanSoft channel, right? Welcome to PawanSoft channel. So now I am going to desktop. So this is the index. So this is the index, right? And this is your HTML. So this is your content, CHANNEL channel. If I save and I'll refresh, it will become channel, right? Let's see. It will go. Okay, and let's here you can write addition, subtraction. So see 20 plus 30. If I'll save and refresh the code, it will print the 50. Addition, multiplication 600. Divided by 20. 200 divided by 20 is equal to 10. So let's You can use alert, ALERT, alert to show the alert message. Hello. You can refresh, it will show the alert message. Hello. You can use document dot write welcome to JavaScript. So you have seen some code, so let's go to next slide. Future of the JavaScript. What is JavaScript? And this is futures of JavaScript. They are following future of JavaScript. All popular web browsers support JavaScript to provide built-in execution environment, as like Chrome. You have seen Chrome is supporting the JavaScript. You can use any other browser also, Firefox, Chrome, Mozilla. So all most popular browsers support the JavaScript code. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language that uses prototype rather than using classes for inheritance. JavaScript is a lightweight and interpreted language. JavaScript is a case-sensitive language. Case-sensitive means we'll see when we'll create in variable tutorial. When we'll declare the variable means suppose we are declaring variable. So variable name is equal to PawanSoft. Okay, and this is name is equal to PawanSoft. Okay, welcome to name. Okay, let's refresh. Welcome to PawanSoft. This is PawanSoft. So case sensitive means this is name and this is name, means both are the different variable. This is variable we can declaring in JavaScript using var keyword. We'll see in next tutorial. Case sensitive means this is name and this is name, both are the different. Means if you will declare the two variable with same name but which one is uppercase and one is lowercase, so it will consider both are different. JavaScript is supportable in several operating systems like Windows, macOS. Applications of JavaScript. JavaScript is used to create the interactive website. It mainly used for client-side validation. We'll see how to validate the client side using code, practical, and displaying pop-up window like dialog box like alert, web scene alert, confirm, prompt. So we'll see one by one in incoming video in detail. And displaying drop down minus date and time, clocks, So all we'll see in next incoming video in detail. So why study JavaScript? So why study JavaScript means this is one of the 3 languages all web developer must learn the JavaScript. So if you're developing the web application and using JavaScript, so to develop the UI page, you have to learn first HTML. You should know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is show the content on the web page, and CSS is used to specify the layout of web page, and JavaScript program the behavior of the web page. Means suppose we are going to fill some form like name, email, ID, phone number. We are filling, right? So HTML, what will do? HTML will show you the content. Content means name field, email field, phone number fields. So these things will show by the HTML element. Okay, and CSS is for to designing the layout. Like, see, this is the page, and this page you have showing in green, right? Here in white. So this is done by the CSS to show the background in lightweight. And this is use of JavaScript means suppose I have fill the form like email ID, name, email ID, phone number. So when you click on button, right, when you click the submit button, so some task will happen internally. So those things will be done by the JavaScript. So next in the incoming tutorial we'll see means how with practice. So how we'll do what is doing JavaScript basically. So no, don't worry. So notes: this complete tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced level, and this tutorial is for both freshers and experience also. And you can learn easily JavaScript, but you have to do one thing: you have to learn and you have to practice. Watch 1-2 time video and practice more time, 2-3 times in daily. So this will help you to learn the JavaScript in easily. Thanks for watching. We'll see in next video. Thanks. If you learn something from this video, please subscribe my channel and support. Thanks for watching.